Improve the consumer experience with customized pre-made pouches from Glenroy, trusted experts in flexible packaging for over 50 years. We engineer, prototype, print, and manufacture innovative stand-up pouches designed to add value for your consumers. Our packaging engineers will collaborate with you to understand how your consumers dispense, use, and store your products. Custom-engineered durable flexible packaging materials designed for your product's unique formulations, life cycles, and filling equipment. And create innovative pouch prototypes printed with your own graphics. Your flexible packaging laminations will be produced on our advanced extrusion and adhesive laminating machinery by machine operators with an average of 20 years of experience in the industry. Your pouches will be enhanced with Glenroy's flexographic printing, which has earned over 90 printing awards and is certified by Graphics Measures International. Glenroy's printing presses utilize 100% print defect detection systems and the latest technologies to ensure color accuracy. The final step in the process is pouch converting. Our versatile pre-made pouch converting equipment has produced award-winning pouches and provides some of the most extensive in-house pre-made pouch converting capabilities in the industry. And converting your pouches in-house allows us to maintain quality throughout the entire process, from pouch engineering to pouch converting, all within tight timelines. Your pouches can incorporate convenient features such as resealable sliders and zippers, handles, laser scoring, unique pour spouts, and customized shapes. Glenroy offers the capabilities and expertise you need to create consumer-centric pouches that stand out. Put our 50 years of experience in flexible packaging to work for you.